Can you handle 52 ancient artifacts? This quiz gets impossibly hard, and only a genius clears the final round. What is this famous circular Aztec stone artifact often called? Is it A, the sunstone, B, the moon plate, or C, the star shield? It's A, the sunstone. It depicts Aztec sun gods. What precious green stone was used to make this famous Maya burial mask? Is it A, emerald, B, jade, or C, malachite? It's B, jade. Jade was highly valued by the Maya. What is the name of this famous Maya step pyramid temple? Is it A, El Castillo, B, the Great Temple, or C, Palace of Palenque? It's A, El Castillo. It served as a monumental temple. What are these ancient Maya picture writing symbols called? Is it A, runes, B, cuneiform, or C, glyphs? It's C, glyphs. These are beautifully carved writing symbols. The Maya used decorated clay pots like this to drink which sweet treat? Is it A, hot chocolate, B, maple syrup, or C, fruit juice? It's A, hot chocolate. They enjoyed frothy, spiced chocolate drinks. What colorful animal feature was used to make this Aztec crown? Is it A, leopard spots, B, bird feathers, or C, fish scales? It's B, bird feathers. It features vibrant green quetzal feathers. This famous Aztec sculpture is covered in tiny blue tiles made of what mineral? Is it A, sapphire, B, lapis lazuli, or C, turquoise? It's C, turquoise. It was used for bright blue mosaics. What kind of musical instrument is this ancient clay artifact? Is it A, whistle, B, drum, or C, guitar? It's A, whistle. They crafted highly detailed clay whistles. What are these ancient screen-folded Maya books called? Is it A, scrolls, B, codices, or C, tablets? It's B, codices. These books were painted on bark paper. This Maya stone carving represents the god of which important crop? Is it A, wheat, B, corn, or C, potatoes? It's B, corn. Corn was their staple crop. This dark, shiny Aztec mirror was polished from what natural material? Is it A, volcanic glass, B, polished coal, or C, deep sea shells? It's A, volcanic glass. This glass is also called obsidian. The Maya played a famous ball game using heavy balls made from what bouncy material? Is it A, leather, B, wood, or C, rubber? It's C, rubber. They harvested sap from rubber trees. What shiny metal did Aztec artists use to make this ornamental pendant? Is it A, silver, B, gold, or C, copper? It's B, gold. They crafted beautiful gold jewelry. What is the name of this reclining stone figure holding a tray on its belly? Is it A, Chacmu, B, Atlantean, or C, Stella? It's A, Chacmu. It is an iconic reclining figure. The Maya burned sweet-smelling tree resin in clay vessels like this. What was the resin called? Is it A, myrrh, B, copal, or C, amber? It's B, copal. This resin was burned as incense. This Aztec clay vessel depicts Tlaloc, the god of what natural phenomenon? Is it A, wind, B, rain, or C, earthquakes? It's B, rain! Tlaloc was the rain deity. These small, detailed clay figurines were found on which ancient Maya island? Is it A, Cozumel, B, Jaina Island, or C, Isla Mujeres? It's B, Jaina Island. This island was a burial site. What is the name of the bright, fade-resistant paint pigment invented by the Maya? Is it A, Maya blue, B, royal purple, or C, cochineal red? It's A, Maya blue. It is incredibly durable paint. This Aztec clay dog statue represents which hairless sacred breed? Is it A, Chihuahua, B, Pug, or C, Xoloitzcuintli? It's C, Xoloitzcuintli. They guided souls through the underworld. Which walled Maya city was built right on the cliffs overlooking the Caribbean Sea? Is it A, Tulum, B, Tikal, or C, Copan? It's A, Tulum. It was a coastal port city. This famous carved stone lid covers the tomb of which great Maya king? Is it A, Montezuma, B, Pakal the Great, or C, 8 deer? It's B, Pakal the Great. He ruled the city of Palenque. These colorful, spiky red shells were highly prized by the Maya as currency and jewelry. What are they? Is it A, conch shells, B, spondylus shells, or C, cowrie shells? It's B, spondylus shells. They were highly valued trade goods. This stone Aztec vessel, carved like a majestic animal, was used for offerings. Which animal is it? Is it A, eagle, B, jaguar, or C, bear? It's A, eagle. It represents the sun and sky. Which artistic style of Maya pottery features painted scenes of court life and mythology? Is it A, cylinder vase, B, flat plate, or C, square block? It's A, cylinder vase. They acted like canvas paintings. These highly detailed ceramic funerary urns were crafted by which neighbors of the Aztec? Is it A, Inca, B, Zapotecs, or C, Olmecs? It's B, Zapotecs. They were based in Oaxaca. This Aztec stone sculpture depicts a monkey holding what sweet round fruit? Is it A, cacao pod, B, coconut, or C, avocado? It's A, cacao pod. Monkeys loved eating the sweet pulp. Whose face is carved in the very center of the Aztec sunstone? Is it A, Quetzalcoatl, B, Tonatiuh, or C, Huitzilopochtli? It's B, Tonatiuh. He was the Aztec sun deification. These massive stone heads influenced Maya and Aztec art, but were carved by which older culture? Is it A, Toltec, B, Zapotec, or C, Olmec? It's C, Olmec. They were Mesoamerica's mother culture. What was the purpose of these stone statues found at the tops of Mayan temple stairs? Is it A, holding flags, B, grinding corn, or C, filtering water? It's A, holding flags. They held tall wooden flagpoles. These beautifully carved stone door beams from Maya temples are known as what? Is it A, stelae, B, lintels, or C, obelisks? It's B, lintels. These are horizontal beams above doorways. This famous red carnelian grasshopper statue was found in which historic Aztec park? Is it A, Chapultepec, B, Xochimilco, or C, Teotihuacan? It's A, Chapultepec. The name means grasshopper hill. This Aztec stone model of a temple pyramid is known as what? Is it A, Chacmul, B, Teocalli, or C, Stela? It's B, Teocalli. It is a miniature temple monument. These highly complex, chipped stone Maya ritual artifacts are called what? Is it A, eccentric flints, B, hand axes, or C, slate palettes? It's A, eccentric flints. These are exquisitely flaked stones. Maya pottery often depicts a mythical creature associated with wetlands called what? Is it A, water lily monster, B, rain gorilla, or C, mud serpent? It's A, water lily monster. It represents standing water. These specialized, coarse ceramic vessels were used by the Aztecs for what process? Is it A, storing honey, B, boiling salt, or C, melting silver? It's B, boiling salt. They evaporated brine to leave salt. The Dresden Codex contains incredibly accurate tables tracking the path of which planet? Is it A, Mars, B, Jupiter, or C, Venus? It's C, Venus! They calculated its orbit with accuracy. This highly decorated Aztec wooden drum is played standing up. What is it called? Is it A, Huehuetle, B, Teponaztli, or C, Marimba? It's A, Huehuetel. It is an upright tree trunk drum. This horizontal wooden slit drum was used in both Aztec and Maya ceremonies. What is its name? Is it A, Huehuetl, B, Teponaztli, or C, Giro? It's B, Teponaztli. It produces two distinct pitches. This early duck-billed nephrite statuette features carving from which script precursor to the Maya? Is it A, Epi-Olmec, B, Zapotec, or C, Mixtec? It's A, Epi-Olmec. It features very early glyphs. This famous early Maya jade belt plaque depicts a king trampling a captive. What is it called? Is it A, Leyden plaque, B, Madrid plate, or C, Palenque slab? It's A, Leyden plaque. It is an early dated artifact. These delicate, lifelike portrait heads found under Palenque's Temple of Inscriptions are made of what? Is it A, clay, B, stucco plaster, or C, obsidian? It's B, stucco plaster. They molded highly realistic portraits. This giant Aztec stone snake represents Xiuhcuatl, which translates to what? Is it A, water serpent, B, feathered serpent, or C, fire serpent? It's C, fire serpent. It is associated with lightning. What is the ancient Maya word written in glyphs on this chocolate drinking pot? Is it A, cacao, B, chocola, or C, chocolatl? It's A, caca. The glyphs spell out caca. These stone cups, carved with rabbits, were used by Aztec priests to drink which sacred beverage? Is it A, cacao, B, pulque, or C, honey mead? It's B, pulque. It is a fermented agave drink. Found in Copan, this incredibly rare carved mammal skull is made from which animal? Is it A, peccary, B, jaguar, or C, deer? It's A, peccary. It is a masterpiece of carved bone. Which of the 4 surviving Maya codices is the longest, measuring over 22 feet? Is it A, Dresden Codex, B, Paris Codex, or C, Madrid Codex? It's C, Madrid Codex. It contains 112 pages. This controversial 4th Maya codex was recently proven authentic. What is its official name? Is it A, Grolier Codex, B, Maya Codex of Mexico, or C, Yucatan Codex? It's B, Maya Codex of Mexico. It is the oldest book. This small clay figurine represents Ixchel, the Maya goddess of what? Is it A, the moon, B, corn harvest, or C, volcanoes? It's A, the moon. She was also goddess of fertility. This famous post-conquest Aztec pictorial land map is drawn on what material? Is it A, cotton canvas, B, deer hide, or C, bark paper? It's C, bark paper. It is painted on amit paper. This common yellow-colored Maya glyph represents what central element of their life? Is it A, maize seed, B, sun rays, or C, beeswax? It's A, maize seed. It symbolizes abundance and growth. This rare polished jade cup from Calakmul was carved to look like what natural object? Is it A, snail shell, B, gourd, or C, jaguar paw? It's B, gourd. It replicates a dried gourd cup. This highly debated greenstone Aztec sculpture depicts which goddess of childbirth? Is it A, Tlazolteotl, B, Coatlicue, or C, Coyoxauhqui? It's A, Tlazolteotl. She was goddess of midwives. How many of these ancient treasures did you recognize? Share your score in the comments below and subscribe for more historic adventures.